Greetings and welcome, my dear fellow Barbie collectors. Today our topic is the happy family. What would be better than a happy family with children? Can you guess what I'm talking about? Yes, you're right. I'm talking about the happy family pregnant Midge. I admit she's a strange doll. For so many years have we waited for a pregnant Barbie, and suddenly Midge became pregnant. Just more than 20 years after her marriage to Anne in 1991. I think just look for the wedding day Midge and you're gonna find her. But back to the pregnant Midge. I wanna show you today. Here she is. I found her weird from the beginning. But as a collector she's very interesting because there's only one pregnant doll in the whole Barbie family. The belly itself works with magnets. It's a clip-on belly. I'm going to show you the belly at the end of the video in greater detail. And inside is the baby. Okay, yes. The pregnant Midge without her baby belly. I know it's hard to see for you, but I removed the baby belly in this sequence. And then comes the thing with the flowers and the bees, which you can see right now. That would be so easy in real life. Just clip on the belly and then you're done. The Midge belly itself works with magnets. Has Elvis something to do with it? Who knows? The body has 2 or 3 and the body itself 2, and when you clip them together you have a body with a belly button. And here we are, the baby is born now. Woo! Every Friday comes a new exciting video for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks!